Ask me how much my rent is down in the comments and I'll let y'all know. But Lord, I'm gonna wash all those clothes and put them in. And then I have to take all of this down because my mom doesn't want it left up. She don't want my love, I guess I gotta move on. Yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. She don't want my love, I guess I gotta move on. Good afternoon, guys. So welcome to the vlog. My name is Angel. Welcome into my world. Yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna get some boxes because I only have a couple of days so I can move into my apartment. And actually, this is a vlog where I can show you the apartment that I picked. So here you go. Okay, so now that you see the apartment, there's a couple of reasons why I picked this place. No, it's not aesthetically pleasing, you know, with all the marble and all that stuff, but the convenience where it's at, like I literally can walk to the grocery store. It's 7 minutes away drive, like from my parents' house. Like it's right there from my church, 12-minute drive from my job. And it's so cheap for a two bedroom. Ask me how much my rent is down in the comments and I'll let y'all know. But it's cheap, okay? And I don't want to be house broke. And if y'all know that term, it's an old saying, when people can only afford to pay like their rent or their mortgage and they can't afford to do nothing else. That's not going to be me because I like to shop, okay? I like to shop, so I needed something affordable. So anyway, let's go get boxes and do what we need to do. Guys, I done bought so much stuff. My car's a mess. I'm at Lowe's because Lowe's literally has everything, and the Walmart near me sucks.
And I can't believe it, that we almost see it. I'm supposed to catch up with you when you always leave it. Pray to God up in the sky, do it for me.
I look crazy.
Damn. I'm sorry.
But good morning. I was up till 3 a.m. packing. Mind you, I came straight from work, started packing up my stuff because, you know, I'm moving and I'm just so tired. And you know what? I'm still not done. Like, I'm nowhere near done packing. Like, so it's like 11 something. I ordered a pizza because I went to go cook something and then I realized, oh yeah, I haven't gone grocery shopping because I want to wait till I get in my apartment. And I'm not going to the store right now. I just need to get a pizza, relax for 2 hours, and then get back to packing. But let me show you my progress. It doesn't look like a lot because it's not. And now I'm washing clothes, although I have a washer and dryer at my apartment, but like, why not use these free amenities? You know what I'm saying? At my parents' house. So this is it so far. Then that trash bag, and then there's rug on floor, and then those pool noodles I'm using for a project. I'll show you guys that later. Then, you know, it's just a mess. Like, I'm packing out my couch, and yeah, I'm gonna wash all those clothes and put them in a box. But yeah. And then my floor is just disgusting. Yeah. And then I have to take all of this down because my mom doesn't want it left up, but whatever. But yeah, I'm not going in. I'm gonna go get my pizza. That's all. Guys, I literally just got off, oh my God, got off work. It's move-in day. I did not plan this out very well, but I'm going inside the apartment to pick up my keys So let's go. Okay, here is the apartment. It smells really good in here. So I know they cleaned it so well. It's literally hours later. It's almost 10 o'clock. I ate dinner already. I ate with my parents, but I'm still at their house. And we moved all of the big things to my house, but I'm gonna just show you guys my progress because I still have like a lot of stuff that I, you know, need to move. So this is my food that I need to take. A box. I still have some stuff in their living room. And then, yeah. Still have all of this stuff, like, you know, my products. But everything's pretty much moved out. I still have like a whole closet down the hall that is full of clothes, but I'm moving in intervals. Like right now, I'm about to take a shower and go to sleep. But yeah, I'll see you guys later. So I'm in Walmart because I need a shower liner. Forgot to grab one, so I need to take a shower tonight. All that moving, I'm sweating. Jeez. Okay. Why are shower liners 12 bucks? Does anybody use fabric? 11. You too. I'm looking for a couch, and I'm sitting on this one, but it looks small. I would obviously have to get pillow covers because gross, but I do like the color, and it's only $7.99. That's not bad, but it's small. I like this, but it looks cheap. I don't know. I have some other ones, so. This one is cute. It's big. But do I want to pay $1,300? Probably not. That one's cute. So I'm back from the store, you know, looking for a couch. I didn't really find any, and they said that was their Black Friday sale. I didn't feel like it was a sale, but let me show you guys the room. Ooh, now that it's like all cleared out. So, did I say I was back at home? I'm at my parents' house to get some more stuff, but I want to show you guys the room now that it's all cleared out. They're making it into like a workout room. Sure. All right. Okay. So here it is. It's a pretty big room if you look at it. So I guess she's gonna hang that up. And she says it's gonna get like a 40-inch. But yeah, I do like the carpet if that's your tease. But they're gonna get some more like workout equipment or whatever. Yeah, that's it. So it's later in the day. I didn't find a couch. I think I told you guys that, but I'm still searching. I have, this is a couch, but it's not like, it's like a good sitting couch, but not like a couch that you lay on. But anyway, I'm going through my shoes because I noticed that had the most boxes and bags that I've been tripping over. So I'm like, let me go ahead and put my shoes up. And I know I had a lot of shoes, but I didn't know I had a lot of shoes, if you get what I'm saying. Like, I don't think I have enough room to store all my shoes. Then I was gonna do a shoe wall. It's not gonna be plausible in this room with what I'm trying to do. So I'm a little stressed. Okay, first things first, don't mind my snacks, but I bought this. You see how it said 50 pair shoe rack? It would have been nice if it wasn't so janky, so I literally wasted my money. Like, it doesn't even stay together, and I'm through with it. So I'm just gonna take it apart and throw it away. So yeah, I have this tote of shoes, and then these. So I already been like hanging up some shoes. I bought this because I realized like I'm not gonna do a shoe wall, and this is to fit like my thinner shoes, like my sandals and stuff. But that bag has shoes. Like, all of this is just shoes. Good morning. So it's Saturday, it's 10 a.m. I'm exhausted, but I don't know. I was just up watching TV and cleaning. I cleaned out dryer and washing machine. It was clean, it just wasn't clean to my standards. And then I scrubbed out the pantry, but I'm gonna like do some minor tweaks with the pantry because I'm not comfortable putting my stuff in there unless it looks like pristine. Okay, here's the pantry, and you see that, like, that's like a literal stain. I scrubbed it, I sprayed it down, it doesn't come out. So I'm gonna paint it, and I don't care. I just don't care. Like, it's just nasty. And then I'm gonna put contact paper like on the shelves because I'm not putting anything in there, even though it's clean, until it looks presentable. So yeah. So I got these from the Dollar Tree. So you see, I should have got more than 3, but I feel like the black and white is cute. It goes with like the theme of what I'm going for. And plus this was the cuter one that they had. Like, they had like a tan one, and who wants a tan? So I'm gonna do this. So hopefully it, you know, it works, so I don't waste my money. First, it's actually sticky. I kind of messed up, but oh well. If you can see, like, I couldn't lay it flat, and then this one, yeah. And then I have, like, it wasn't long enough, so I gotta get this one. But I like it. It's different. It'll look better, like, once the whole thing is, like, together, I promise. Okay, progress report. Look at it. So I'm gonna have to go back to the Dollar Tree and get at least 2 more. Because now I just have scraps left, and I'm gonna use the scraps on the top shelf where people can't really see. But I mean, you see how this one, you know how to add another one? It's pretty much seamless. Like, this stuff can match up very, very well. This one has a lot of creases, but I did better on these 2. So much better. And then I'm going to paint, like, obviously, maybe I should have did that first. Oh well. I'm gonna paint, like, you know, the in-betweens to make it look cuter. But I think for this one, because it's high up and we see like the bottom, I'm gonna put some contact paper under there. Maybe, I don't know yet. So since I have to go back up to the Dollar Tree, I'm gonna take a shower and go and get some errands done, and then come back and finish this. So yeah, let me go.
Fighting with my adversary, yeah, doing every day, but I don't think I'm ready. I had problems in my 20s that will make it easy. I got problems with it. Riding with my Destiny, bro. Driving with my, yeah, problems in my 20s that will make it evil. Damage on my face, I've done things up in this life that I know I cannot erase. I got problems rolling up too much and watching anime. I will fix that shit right now, but I don't got no time today. Cause I'm gone when the sun's up. And I know that I shouldn't go, but I got problems that you don't know. There's some things I gotta undergo. Popping out the smiley faces turn me to a dope head. Bought like 24 of them and now a nigga's on it. Come right back in the nick of time, I felt like I was ballin'. Come right back in the nick of time, but it's 11:30. I got hella dirty when I'm riding through the sauce. I got partners back in hunt, I know that I would never cross. On my honor, on my father, man, I gotta shine like gloss. Doing everything right now, but I don't think I'll take